Next, let's talk about custom instructions. Now, when using AI, sometimes it doesn't give you what you want or does things that you may not like. For example, I hate the bullet points. I hate when it just starts spitting out all these bullet points. It's like, no, I don't want bullet points. So what you can do here is you can give Claude custom instructions to tell it exactly what to do. Think of instructions as guidelines. So anytime that you write a chat, anytime that you ask it to do something, it's going to refer to those custom instructions. It's going to read those, and then it's going to generate you a response based off your custom instructions. By doing it this way, you're always going to get an answer that tailors to your needs. So let me walk you through how to add custom instructions with Claude. So I just showed you all how to create mega prompts with Claude to get really rich, good results. Now let's say you want to take Claude and you want to sort of veer it in a specific direction. This is where custom instructions come in very handy. At the bottom left right here, I'll click on the logo and I'll go over here and click on settings. Now in the general section, you're gonna see personal preferences. Now this is essentially an outline. So anytime that you generate a prompt, it's always going to reference back to these specific instructions. Now to give you a very basic example, here I'll put, do not put bullet points in any response. And then here, I'll go ahead and click on Save Changes. And from here on out, Claude will always reference this and they were not gonna put bullet points in their response. Now, this is just a very bare basic example, but depending on your situation, you might wanna just add a few sentences or you might wanna add something very detailed. However, I really wanna utilize the power of Claude. So in the video description, we have an Evernote, and this is actually a custom instruction set that you can follow for your business. And this is the Claude outline. So for example, I first want to introduce my name. I want to talk about my business. I want to talk about what I do for a living. And I also want to give it instructions on how to respond. So for example, if you're using WordPress, you might want to know the latest trends. You might want to let it know that you're trying to sell to new customers and so on and so forth. And then here we have a daily structure. And this is essentially just letting the AI know what you're doing in your daily life. So for example, I'm researching tools to make websites, and obviously you can just go ahead and replace this and put something else. And then also, these are things I wanted to avoid. I don't like the generic information. I don't want it to use bullet points, don't recommend tools, don't suggest hiring people, and so on and so forth. Now, what we can do here is I can go ahead and take all of this, and then I can copy this, and then I'll go ahead and paste it here. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to spend maybe like 10 minutes to adjust this template. You're gonna put your name, your business, your workload, what you do, and everything else. And once you put it in here, by doing it this way, you're gonna have much detailed results catered to your specific business. So I'll just put something very basic like, who am I? And there we go, you're Daryl Wilson. You run a web design company focused on WordPress users. Your days are spent researching tools to make websites. So it's always going to reference those custom instructions. So by doing it this way, Claude knows who you are, it knows your workflow, and it knows a little bit about your target audience.